Hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Um, it is 9:30. Start trading, bringing A plus performance. Um, take that high quality trade. If there's no trade like that, then there's no trade. Really aligned to high execution, to the clues, to the time frame, to the price action, the volume nodes, fair value gaps, order flow, um, volume. Did I say that? Anyways, just a lot of clues, and just make sure that the trade you're taking is something that has all the clues, but then you have the conviction to take it without being worried about that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open Bookmap. Okay, let me go ahead and open Trading View as well. Okay, give me a sec.
Today a win even if every trade loses. And remember, detach, don't strive, walk away, and trade with excellent performance.
Oops.
What would make today a win even if every trade loses? And remember, detach, don't strive, walk away, and trade with excellent
Okay.
performance.
Let's start with the 1 day and 1 week. So here we really just had that push up, and we are down 0.8% from the highs, which is interesting. You know, it's normal, but yeah, something to watch for. And yeah, we're just down 0.8% right there. Okay, let's get to the 1 hour and 4 hour. Hey Scott, I, I think you typed Chinese and then you typed this. Oh, weird. That's really weird. So it shows that you typed Chinese, but when I put my finger over it, it says you typed hi. That's the first time I've seen that happen. Okay, let's get to the 4 hour and 1 hour. Yeah, just a really slow grind down. A real slow grind down. Buyers tried here, failed. tried here, and now we're just consolidating around this area. On let me know they're moving pretty sync, so watch out for that too. Yeah, I mean, really just a lot of consolidation, slowing down, so watching out for that. See, we have that big low volume node. Just it's a fair value gap. Sorry, I'm not gonna call it low volume node because it's like more of a fair value gap. We're trading some of it again, which is good. Will we break lower? Will we just stop here? That's the question, because there also is this candle. And on ES, we could get support here, or even this previous resistance. How will we react to that? Right now, touching the 8 EMA, 20 EMA. Yeah. So right now we'll just be like watching this fair value gap play, see how buyers react and try to play, and then the consolidation down is just a good understanding. It's okay, Scott. Don't worry about it. Just keep watching. So we're at 18.74 on VIX, and on the 30-minute, yeah, really just like it's clear. Like you can see the generating liquidity before the real move. Like we're really struggled near the high. Tried to find support, failed. Sellers took advantage of that. A little bit of a push up and just breakdown. Now we're just consolidating. ES is touching almost the low, and NQ is also doing the same thing though. Okay, but NQ made a new low here, and ES didn't, and then ES made a new high. So ES is showing greater strength right now. NQ did not make a new high, but ES is now showing weakness by almost making a new low. $50-minute, same stuff I just said. We are near the 200 EMA, so this could be an area of chop. Okay, let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. So yeah, we really just gapped down pretty significantly above yesterday's basically trading season. Could see that NQ could probably close clean here. And if we do get a pushback, we need to probably get some reaction to the value area from Friday. So yeah, we're just breaking down. The sellers look aggressive here. Buyers are stepping in right now though. With good buying. They okay. Let's open up order flow here too. Yo, hey Tanish, how are you, man? So, after the game of waiting, okay, there's liquidity higher. It's good, man. Can't complain. Things are going nice. Grateful. I'm moving. What about you? Anything exciting? So buyers are getting absorbed here. Oh yeah. Okay. You should you should do some traveling or something. You know, because you're almost done school. Like if you get some time, maybe like 2 weeks or a month, go somewhere different. Even go to Goa, man. I mean, but you've been to Goa probably. I haven't been to Goa. I want to go to Goa. Okay, there's liquidity higher. I'll be right back. I need to clear my nose. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we're breaking out. Looks strong. Nice bicep liquidity sweep, second leg structure to break out the IB, which is the IB of yesterday. I'm just researching new college for masters. What's your top pick and what's your top 3 picks? Okay, I'm green lighted the trade. So we got a little volume node right here. You know, we can see a little bit of a pullback into that. A little bit of a wick test too. Pretty fair trade actually. Okay, nice reaction by buyers.
Boom. Surrender.
One was ASU in Arizona, but USC in Iska because of Trump, let's be honest. Okay, yeah. For sure. But you can even do Europe. Europe, I know France and UK would have some good schools too. That's good that you're looking abroad. I'm glad. For your masters, because it's gonna be your experience, and they're gonna take you. Like, if you got good grades and you seem like you are worthy, it's gonna be good. Okay, 2 seconds left on this. I want to see how this closes. Okay, I like the breakdown. Okay, there's the fill. I got slipped on that. Like, in a good way, I'm pretty sure. Very good breakout. Uh, but was it a good slip? It was a bad slip. A very bad slip. Uh, Plan B is to do MBA in Business Intelligence from India only. Plan B is dope, but try to do Plan B from another area. That's it. Like, I think you should do Plan B as your Plan A, but then do it from a different country. Okay, so the thing is, it was a winner, but damn, I got slipped on that badly, which is the only unfortunate thing. Now the question is that, I mean, $700 break clean, very clean. Good edge though, good follow through of the edge. But I mean, 100%. I don't know why. Okay, it could fill me later, but it can't exit me later. Huh. Okay. Okay. I know it's not like, I mean, strong selling. I can see a little reaction to buyers to that low volume node. It'll probably be too fast. It's a low volume node too. I don't like how much time is left on it. Have you speak to Azan or Bugga? You know who I talked to? It was some time ago, but I talked to Samir. It was like a good amount of time, maybe 6 months ago. But so that was cool. This could actually be a limit. Quick consolidation because that low volume node. Now it's gonna fill the people who kept the order here, but it's not actually gonna play. Oh, almost played. I'm being careful here. Yeah, that's good, man. What about Suksehej? Is that Suki? But his full name was Suksehej, right? Why am I forgetting his name? That's bad on me. Like I remember him so well, but I just like names are just not my thing. But what was I wanting to do? Yeah. Should make a new low on ES. Oh yeah? No way. Yeah, did he not like say he was gonna see you but then didn't see you, or am I mistaken? Because I remember you telling me something like that. Hmm. Okay, buyer stepping in again. Reaction to VWAP. I was in he texted he was wait. He did come to Delhi like a couple of years ago, but unfortunately I was extremely busy with exams, so I didn't meet him. I was in English and I texted him, he was like he didn't want to meet me. Oh yeah, damn. Yeah. Well, I don't know, maybe it's just a miscommunication. Because you were busy and you couldn't see him, and then you came and he couldn't see you. But maybe he felt salty, or I don't know. But like, I don't think what he did was right 100%, but I don't know. But again, like, now someone has to text someone, right? Who's gonna text who? But yeah, it's chill because at the end of the day, it's like been years now, huh? I mean, decent price action, to be honest. I don't know if buyers will actually get the. I like this setup. Let's see. No, sellers are taking advantage here. Oh no, I just realized that. That's not good on my behalf. I was not looking at order flow. Okay, so yeah. Quick resistance on VWAP, push at 900. Okay, that's not gonna be valid then. Yeah, nice breakdown. Yeah, buyers got absorbed really well there. Breaking lower. The fact that ES is leading. I don't like when ES leads. This is the area of decent volume, so something to watch for. It's gonna be easy for to push back up into it, maybe. Liquidity higher. Okay. Solid breakdown. Looking at higher time frames to spot some areas of interest. So made a new low in the session for both. Buyers responding pretty well on ES. On NQ, still leading lower. Honestly, NQ could flush to 2900. On 14. Sellers are really stacking. To break to 114 for the wick test. It's a setup, but I don't know. It's very similar to my trade from yesterday. I might just sit out and wait off that because look, we have a strong reaction down. I'll probably wait for the right move where buyers stepping. And that front running case can happen. Might just get a little bit of manipulation down there. Yeah, there's a flush of it. Nice. But I don't know. I was hesitating just because it could easily front run it. I don't know. I'm not gonna do that when yesterday I had the exact same trade and it didn't work. So and that's just me being precautious. That's my psychology. Okay. Acceleration is happening. Happening. Buyers do not look strong here. And buyers are stepping in, but they don't look strong. Looks dangerously weak. Strong selling too. Okay, so a little manipulation has changed the story now. As buyers do have gained a little bit of strength. I see that's not just a manipulation to generate liquidity for further downside. I mean, that flush to 75. I mean, I don't know. I think this is overextended, but it is a setup possible to 75. So 85. I'm sure a buyer stepping. What I would like to see is buyers try, fail, make a new low, and then actually do the move. Or just, yank it up. Okay, that is the manipulation. It's just much more extended than I thought it would be. Even the fill here. No, I'm gonna wait because I'm really thinking this is gonna be it. Like, yes, it could play, but the risk is not justified. But also the fact that this could be the second leg that I'm looking for. Let's see if it would have played. I mean, I would have, yeah, okay, played. I would have got my fill just because I need $700 because of this earlier trade mess. It's not a mess up. It's not. It's just simply didn't get filled properly. I mean, what I just said, manipulate higher, make a new low, is playing out. Like, so the edges are playing. My hand, it's annoying me that my hands are dirty. I mean, like sticky because of the fruits. Okay. Got my favorable exit. Okay. My watch was going crazy. So, yeah, not bad. $188 more. I mean, that could have 100% played for 10 points, which would have been 2,000. But I got my rules. I'm not complaining. But 2 wins is better than 1 win. Okay.
Exactly. It's almost been an hour. How are you feeling?
I'm excited to wash my hands now. Okay, I'm gonna close these. So I did take 2 trades. Usually, I mean, 100%, 99% of the time I wouldn't have, simply because the fact that the trade I took, it was a great setup, but it's just the acceleration happening in such a way that I think I kept my order in a way that it was already accelerating. So it was not before the acceleration. So my fill got filled later, and I think I did get slipped on the fill, like on my exit, but it was still not a great exit. It was $1,300 instead of 2,000. So then I sat and took another trade, which would have played for 10 points, but you know, I'm not all I'm doing is respecting my guardrails of the max loss or max take profit. So that was $800. I mean, 100% could have run up to the $2,000 limit, but that's okay. It was a good setup, simply played out nicely. And I got like a $200, a little bit more of a beyond my amount. But yeah, that's good. I mean, now I got the win. But that feels good, of course. But then Wednesday we want to keep that win, so keep that energy going, because it will not be fun taking another loss and then just going back and forth, right? Let's build some ground and start taking some winners, so we start getting some traction back. And yeah, I think that'll be it. I close everything. Yep. Let me just add the photo. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna get to my next activities, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a great one, and I'll see you all tomorrow.